Got on your face.
No! It's poison! Hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. This week we got quite a few things for you. I'm gonna start you off. Remember last week we had that leak in the windows. We might know where it's from. They're like the edges of the roof. So we're gonna put some what do you call it? The stuff that you put on the roof.
Sealant.
We'll put sealant like we put on the roof. How we put sealant on the roof. We're gonna put it on like the trim part of it to see if that works to keep from the leak, coming in. There's like a lip kind of, so, and there might be like holes in it from rust. Once you take these last two windows out in the back, that'll be the last of the metal windows of the whole house. Woo, yeah, all right. Be done with those metal windows. And we also want to cut out the master bedroom window, and that's going to be fun. It's always fun to cut out a window. Continue to watch, which I hope you do. And hey, it helps a lot whenever you people watch and subscribe, and you like and you share and you click the notification bell. Next week we're going to be cutting out the kitchen window and putting a backsplash and everything for the kitchen. But first, I gotta move all this. Hey, don't pay attention to the weeds, don't pay attention to the grass, okay? This is the siding that we've probably told y'all about, that we're gonna eventually, put on the house, and you guys are gonna see that too. But don't pay attention to the grass, okay? All right. Just cause it's tall grass and weeds doesn't mean we're crazy people. Oh, wait a minute. You're watching Shalom Meadows. You're in the family. Let's get to work. Oh Lord. See, he's coming out of the box anyway. Coming out of the box anyway. It's not really big. What makes you think it'd be damaged in vinyl siding? Vinyl siding, not siding. I can't speak, y'all. I tell you what. I'm originally from the south, but since we moved further south or north, I don't know which one it is, because it's closer to up this way, not down that way. I've gotten worse. I can't spoke. And I know some of y'all might be like her, oh my gosh, keep it in the box, it's gonna ruin. I hope not, but the boxes have been out here for so long. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna stay in the box. Because it's like, OMG, Becky, what's going on here? Oh Lord. I'll say this though, boy, the bugs around here, woo-wee, they love to eat on human flesh. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Hey, that's a good thing though. If it does get dirty, we're putting it up. We have a pressure washer. Pressure wash the far out of it. I say, are you lucky? You think you lucky, partner? Oh. Then gonna start spraying the gun. The water gun. The powerful water gun.
Meow.
All right.
All right.
Oh, hope this ain't poisonous over here. We'll know if when you come back next week and I'm all broke out. Like, hey, some of y'all might even be like, no, it's poison. But I'm sorry, I don't know. The only way I'm gonna figure out is if I break out, I guess.
Yeah, who's got time for Google anyway?
What?
No attack. No.
Scared me. Darn it.
Get over here. Get over here.
Sorry. I am trying to keep it in the boxes too. It's been there for so long. It got so wet. It just ain't happening. Pardon me. Woo-wee. Houston. Houston. We have a problem. What is it? I'm already tired. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go back and do the same thing back there. Woo. All right, y'all. We got one up. Now we're about to put the other one up. And oh, it's a hot one today. Whew. A lot of ladder movements. It's not Jacob's ladder. It's a gorilla.
This is his support stick that he chose. This twig here is what he thinks is supporting him.
It was working till she decided to step on it. She was like, oh, look, a twig. It's holding him up. Let me break it and see if he falls. Well, thank the Lord I didn't. Oh, my gosh.
Got it on your face.
We got the outside done, the windows taken out, as you've seen. Now we are back in the house. This is the master bedroom window. We've already got it framed out a little bit, but because it had the exact size of window that we actually cut off intentionally, and whatever I'm saying, that we actually cut out at first, and so we had to get a different size window, and we went ahead and made a little frame for that to get this new window that we got in. So we're gonna have a little more light in the house because there's gonna be another window. Realize, yeah, I do have on different clothes, but it was because it was hot and we waited a little bit later in the day. It's still the same day, so cool down a little bit. Although I'm still perspirating. Cutting the wood.
So the battery died, so we are painting these two
That's
pieces of
nothing new.
wood.
Battery died.
Nothing new. So we're painting these pieces of wood. If you don't know, the reason why we are is because it's not treated, so we have to treat it ourselves, basically. So yeah. So yeah. And then we'll
Just
get
to
back
make
to
sure
the
water don't come in.
Yeah. Or mold. More like
Or mood.
mold.
Mood. Make sure that mood don't come in. Paint. Dang, mosquito. Sucking my blood.
Yeah.
On my hand.
Next.
talking about?
Okay, you see it up there, right above your head? Missed that spot. It's attached to the metal, that's all.
Well, y'all, I know you're gonna be like, "Oh, you dummy," but we all make mistakes, and mistakes can be fixed. But always check your windows before you cut out a hole, because they gave us a replacement window instead of a new construction window. So that was our bad. So please forgive us, and we're gonna have to cover it up, to keep from rain and bugs and stuff like that from coming in the house. But y'all stick around with us, because as you can see, you don't know what's gonna happen, and that's life. But remember, there's always peace in it. Shalom, y'all.